Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about different professions. Profession is a job at which someone works to get money or a living. People often study for years to do their job. So let's start. I teach you. I am your teacher. So the one who teaches us is known as a teacher. We go to a doctor when we are sick. So the one who treats sick people is known as a doctor. Doctors are often helped by some people. The one who helps them to take care of the patients are known as nurses. Sometimes our shoes get torn. We go to some people to get them repaired. So the one who mends our shoes is known as a cobbler. We go to a barber shop to have our hair cut. So the one who cuts our hair is known as a barber. We often write letters or cards to our relatives. The cards and letters are delivered to their destinations. So the one who delivers our letters, parcels and cards is known as a postman. Some people work in the fields to grow crops and vegetables for us. So the one who works in the fields to grow crops is known as a farmer. We often go to shops to buy certain commodities. So the one who sells us essential necessary things is known as a shopkeeper. That's all for today. Thank you, students.